what you stand in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece flash like a disco ball. I just like I don't give a fuck.
My name's Steve Coburn and I live in Rustington in England.
My name is Suzanne. I'm retired as a licensed conveyancer. I live in Northampton and in Turkey to have my teeth done.
We actually were recommended to come here by our brother, John Coburn, and after seeing his teeth, it was a no-brainer.
We came, our first visit was in June last year. The experience was second to none. 5-star treatment from start to finish. Nothing was too much trouble. The service, customer service was 5-star. I couldn't recommend this company enough.
Yeah, very happy with the service, excellent staff.
I think the one thing that you will find in Antlara is that everybody will help you. No questions are unanswered. If you have your first permanent set fitted and you're not quite happy, they will tweak them. They will ensure you that you will never leave Antlara Clinic unless you are 100% happy with the service that they have provided, and more importantly, with the teeth that you are going to be going home with. I would recommend them to anybody over and above any other clinic within Antalya.
I can't say any more than that, can I?
No.
You said it all for me. Excellent place, and yeah, I wouldn't consider going or recommending any other company other than Antlara.